Linus, what you doing? What are you doing, Zoe? Boogeyman. Boogeyman's sitting over here, he's just chilling. Everybody's kind of chilling. Got a little roly chop, but not much. Oh, what's that? Oh, we got a boat out there. Oh, yeah. They came in a little while ago. It's sunset. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got a big workbench. We got space to get our panels out. We'll put our panels up here in the morning. I'm going to play around with the mount for the other panel here tonight. And we got the plywood. Yeah. Oh, that's this. Yeah. Got some other stuff done. Actually, Grandma Bonnie did the dishes. Got that stuff moved out of there. Did a bunch of stuff. Tried to pull up the anchor. Had a little fun. It was not coming up. So for a change, we will actually do something different. Normally we're on the dog leash, but this is a dog leash actually. So this is one method. Normally it's on the other leash. So without falling in, I'll just step down in here and we will release our line. And this is our other catch leash. I'll leave this guy behind. Let me just unclip our little clippy-do here. Pull this out. And we're free. This is the backup line. It used to be our dinghy line. It held up through hurricanes, all kinds of stuff. So we just put this up over the side, up here, so we get back, and we cast off. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. There's a Daihatsu running. It's waiting for us. Yeah. 2019, she's a little dirty. It's all icky. Pretty quiet. Just put it in gear. And amazingly enough, you know, if you give it gas, it's just like... You're on plane. I gotta watch out for crab pots because they're all over out here. But we'll let you take a look. There's crab pots everywhere. Crab pot heaven. So I don't have any weight in the front of the boat, so she's porpoising pretty hard. Look, come around the other side. Crab pots everywhere out here. You gotta watch for them. The guy is put them everywhere and anywhere sometimes. But little sunset view for you. I hope the wind isn't too terrible. I'm trying. You can enjoy the view. New neighbor for the night. Heading back over. These spots around in here a little bit. But anyways, don't want to catch the wind. Gotta be careful. This thing can flip up in the air really easily. But yeah, I see these crab pots everywhere, all around us. I gotta let her scope back out. Yeah, she does a pretty nice wake. We had a little fun today. We were trying to throw a wake for the boat, and yeah, content will just sit there and look at that. Won't really do much. Dogs are looking. Xena gets excited when I'm out in the boat. She runs all over like a crazy horse. So anyways, enough horseplay. Probably boring for most of you folks. But yeah, we got her, tried to get her out of anchor, so we're on a short lead. Our anchor's almost straight down. And I'll have to end the video here in a minute, but, whoa, here comes our wave. Whoa! Yeah, we tried to knock her loose. We're tight. We're 10 feet off of our anchor, straight down. We pulled her up tight, put the tractor deal on it, and had no luck. So a little bit about our dinghy here anyways. These are our pods. So yeah, it's kind of different. We got pods, so we can put the boat in reverse. We can drive in reverse and challenge these waves. Oh, I'm gonna get the camera wet. Nothing proof of splashing in the air, but I mean, that's nothing. A little splash over the back. I'm doing about 6 knots in full reverse and chop. No threat. I got the seat wet. Whoop-de-doo. So you can see we're moving right along. Not a problem. Full reverse, no threat. And once they're actually, you know, done in, then there won't be any problem. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I tug the boat in reverse, we move it around, so it's kind of like a car. You don't have to worry about taking the swamp over the back, or if you suddenly stop, that big wave that comes up to the back of the boat can come over and swamp it. And as low as this is to the water, you can see, yeah, it used to be easy to take water over the back. When a big wave would come in, it could be really uncool. That right there. See, that wave right there could have came over the back. So we like it. And they'll get foamed out, and we'll have some trunk compartments in here, flip hatches and lids, and storage. One step at a time. It's all stuff we can play with later. We will foam them out and get the fiberglass on before we head underway here. A few days. Yeah, the boat doesn't turn well in the other direction because when I lowered the transom, see it barely hits right there. I can turn sharp this direction, as you can see. But if I try and turn the other direction, I don't got a lot of turn radius. So it's fine for navigating and driving, but so I have to actually eliminate that because the motor moved. Motor didn't move, but the pod moved up about 3 inches. So now it's actually hitting the mount where you lay the motor on its side when it's on the ground. So anyways, it's actually nice out. It's just little windy lake chop, or you know, it's not glass calm or nothing. So we usually come up here like this, and we put the dog leg on, and this probably won't take 2 hands.